Okay, welcome back. So now, what I'm going to do is now we're going to deal with trinomials where the leading coefficient is not 1. So now we've got to deal with those factors. Okay, so if we look at these two factors, okay, we know that there's only two factors of 2 that are going to work to get the 2, and that's 1 and 2. Okay, and so we can only use positive coefficients a and c when the coefficients of x squared is positive. Okay, since this coefficient is positive, well then the product of a and c, again we're talking about a, b, c, so the product of a and c, the factors of AC can only be positive if the leading coefficient is positive. Okay, so we know that the only two factors of 2, because it's prime, is 1 and 2. So they're going to be positive. Okay, so this is going to be 2x times x. Okay, because again, those two together need to multiply to give us that term. Okay, now, we know the last term has to be two positive factors because 5 is positive. Or excuse me, I'm sorry. What I meant to say is that they have the same sign because 5 is positive, right? They either both have to be negative or they both have to be positive. Okay? Now, also, because the sum of the outer and inner products is 11, positive 11, the integers are positive. Okay, so again, same thing I said before. This is positive, which means the factors are either positive or negative. But since the middle term adds up to positive 11, they both have to be positive. Okay, so I need two factors that add up to, that multiply to 5, but that will give me an 11 in the middle. Okay, so now here's where the kind of trial and error has to come in. Because I have to take the factors of 5, which are going to be one and 5, okay, so we have to try them, but we don't know what order to use them. So let's try. So 1 and 5, let's put 1 here and 5 here, and let's FOIL. So obviously we get 2x squared, and then we're going to get, oops, 10x plus x plus 5, and of course, again, notice these two terms, and they add up to 11. And I'm done. And so those are the factors. 2x plus 1 times x plus 5. Okay. Now, if I would have switched these, I would not have gotten the right answer. I would have gotten a different term. Okay, so in this case, I chose correctly. Okay, so this is more of a trial and error type method, but you use the information or what we've been talking about to kind of help you decide what to do. Okay, we'll do another one. Take care.